Hi, Mrs. and gentlemen, our future cybersecurity engineers. Today, our session based on information gathering and reconnaissance. Last time we took many tools, and today we'll focus on Shodan. Shodan is a search engine specifically designed for discovering internet-connected devices. Okay, it is unlike Google, which is discovering for web pages and domains. So it is based on connected devices to the internet like servers, routers, web cameras, and more. Also, it is good for in IoT, which is Internet of Things or everything. It has many key features. Show that it has first device discovery. Device discovery allow users to discover different internet connected devices, including industrial control system, which is called ICS. Also discover database, network infrastructure, and more and more. So we have second one, network monitoring. It can provide tools to monitor network exposures and keep tracking of devices that directly accessible from the internet, and we have security insight. It can offer this insight into the security of devices. Networks also helping users to identify vulnerabilities and potential security risks. Maybe you can test your website with your IP or public IP to find any vulnerabilities or risks. Okay. Also, we have geolocation and mapping. Geolocation and mapping include features for geolocation devices, visualizing them on map. Also, we have data historical, which is used to access historical data to analyze trends and changes in internet connected devices all the time or over the time. So we have use cases. We have cybersecurity research, network management, compliance, and auditing. Okay, so let's jump now to our Shodan. As we see here, I already make an account in Shodan, and once you make an account, you get API. And API very useful to integrate with your application to use Shodan, or maybe you need to install Shodan in Kali Linux, and you can use the Shodan from the terminal itself to access the same search. So now I need to show you how we can do searches in Shodan to find devices, networking cameras, whatever, or IoT devices as well. So first of all, let's give some about Google. Okay, Google is a search engine. Okay, you know about Google. We'll give some information about Google. It show me 1,100,000 result. Okay, using Google. In China, we have 250,000 and so far. You can show you the top countries and more. You can find the remaining countries. Show you the top ports using Google and other top organization and so far. Give you many information you can serve. Let's talk about Google DNS, which is 8888. It's a server from Google DNS. Let's see what inside information we can gather. For example, so enter. Shodan will take some times, not look like Google very fast. Yeah. So it show me that Google DNS, the name, it is the country in United States, in mountain, and so far, and the company was an ISP. Also show me the open ports of this DNS. As you see, 53.443 and 53 DNS for TCP, DNS for UDP, and we have secure HTTPS 443 as well. So this information, let's talk about 1.1.1.1, which is Cloudflare secure DNS. It gives you secure DNS connection and fast connection as well of that one. So let's see the information what give us. So it has a lot of open ports published on the server, as you see, and you see this country, Australia, Brisbane, organization, and all the things you need information. So this is very basic search. Let's talk about camera title. camera. Camera is look like IoT, which is maybe network camera or IoT Internet of Things camera. Enter. It shows you different camera all over the world. We have in Japan more than 167,000 camera, in Germany 12,000, and so far. You can access, for example, this one. Okay, right click, open, new, and come to here. Oh, a lot of open ports with that camera. It's Japan, and so far you can access from here, for example. And you need to have username and password. Our topic today not to learn how to the hackers doing the things, only to show you how to access information, how to gather information. Okay, so let's talk. We have maybe put port number to make more refined. 553, which is real-time application protocol or real-time stream protocol. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, nothing. Maybe you remove this and maybe you put port number, let's say 161, and see the result. After we put 8161, which is SMB, okay, SNMB, which is Simple Network Management Protocol, and we see a lot of SMB devices, United States 2 million, and so far. And maybe we can access from here is AT&T, Enterprise, this is Poland, Germany, and so far China, Scora, I don't know, Japan, Serbia. Let's see, I don't know, let's go one of them and check and discover what that are. We can access, they have many open ports, yeah, and you can read information about it. Planet, host name, okay, in Russia, the country, the other things, Apache server in Windows with you read a lot of things. Okay, can be useful information, even useful information for the this organization itself can check their open port. Maybe they need to close the open port for some security issues, so they can evaluate their security when they serve their public IP or public website. So let's go on for different search in maybe we can say screenshot camera, enter. So also we can change the search webcam has screenshot and true, and after we search I found this many of them like this one. I don't know, they put their home for example. Okay, yeah, this is how to search about online live stream camera. Let's see this one, for example. Academy Newtown. Okay, go from here 80. Let's see what they have. Okay, Apache Debian. Okay, back again. This is the one. Show me the IP addresses, and can get copy the IP address, for example. Okay, and make it one open. Okay, that means not works. Maybe we can change to a different one. Okay, come back to here. Okay, and you see we come back. This is the IP. Okay, let's see what happened. TCP port 80. Forbidden. You have permission to access it. So we don't have permission, but some of them they give some open. We can come back to the, for example, let's check which one is our open. For example, yeah. See how many open ports. Go to this one. Check if open or not open. Yeah, it's required from us to use username and password. Yeah. Also, you can search, by the way, if you are planning to have a default password. So anything default password, make it in quotation is better. Any default password can be have the default one. Any devices, you can find it in Shodan. Yeah, you see, we have AT&T. Those application or website, they have, or devices, they have default password. Okay, most of them. So you need to check one by one, and not me, I mean the hackers. So this information for disclaimer, please don't use it until you try to make education for yourself only, and not trying to attack any person. Only information for education, to show the others how hackers doing things to gather information. Okay, please. So also we can give different. So by default passwords, you can find the devices using default. After you go inside, for example, and check. Our today session not to check, only to show you how to access, gather the information. By this, you can find the device. Okay, password default, algo, and so far. So we'll not go. I just show you some example. So what we need to show, I need to show you some, maybe search for, let's say, device, maybe quotation, make like VoIP device, enter. Let's see, we have any VoIP devices. Nothing. Device. Okay. Let's see. I think I need to press. Okay, good. Show me there's in China and other countries. Let's go to Italy, for example. No, I can't go here. Go inside this. Let's say we have Sweden. Go inside that one is VoIP device. I need to access. Okay. Go by this one. Okay. So it is just like checking. You need to check and go. I'm just showing you the way how to do. But yourself, you need to check. Have more time to check about the thing. Maybe you can write product. Okay. Product. Cisco, for example. Cisco. Enter. You find here a lot of Cisco product in China and United States. We have launched a new API for vast vulnerability lookup. Okay, this is just a note for me. We have this user access verification username for port 21. Port 21 for FTP, make 23 for SSH, where I can access the device. You see, we have many devices. It can be accessed through SSH, which is port 23. Maybe you can make the name of the port, SSH, or you can say without port, maybe protocol. Let's see. Okay, again, without protocol, show me this, SSH. You see here, you can access the Cisco device. Also, you can make here, instead of product, device. Okay, and check. No, should be product. You see, product. Okay. Okay, very nice. So you can access any product using SSH. You can access. This is China and Beijing. The organization name, the ISP, the open port for that device. Open session 1990. We try here. Go down. down, too much open port. You see, too much open port. I show you the way how to do. Maybe see here there's vulnerability, CSV, which is common vulnerability exposures. We can take this one, for example, copy. We come back to the search to check about vulnerabilities. Maybe you have some devices that have vulnerabilities. So we can say like this. You can say val and put that one. And check which devices they have this vulnerability. Name CVE. Filter only available to academic user only. Okay, not academic for or small business. That means we need to subscribe. Let's say make 2019 like this, and we'll see if we can do something. Okay, we no need to make filter. Make the same. Wait a minute. Okay, make that vulnerability and check about vulnerability without filter. Not give me, because I need to subscribe as small business bid and academic, because I am normal user. At any rate, maybe I can use maybe a vulnerability 18, for example, as common vulnerability, and check. Not give me. Okay, it's give me. Okay, we can go through some. This Poland, for example, go here. They have it is in Poland, Warsaw. The company in the ISP name is the Linux operating system. This is vulnerabilities. Talk about vulnerabilities. Okay, this one, an issue was discovered in mode alias physical handler. Okay, and so far this ISP gives some information. If you go here, make CVE, go down. Okay, this one, server name, server CVE 2018, but they not give the remaining name. There's one vulnerability here. Let's go down. Down. Yeah, you see here we have 3 vulnerabilities. A device, maybe go inside here. It has vulnerabilities. Go through and save. Not sure. Like this, hackers trying to search for any device has specific vulnerabilities. Unfortunately, this is connected to one device. I have no idea about the name. Maybe some of you they have idea about it. So at any rate, they do like this search. Let's talk about some printer. Okay, we can say laser printer FTP printer. Let's check. We have laser print FTP server. Can make server, give you more result. Access one. You see, we have find many laser printer FTP server and so far. Also, we need to search about let's make like this. Remember we searched last time about open folder. Can do it here. Make HTTP dot I think title we give index, of course, make it in quotation, index in slash or index slash, I mean fruit, enter. This show you some index here, open folder, and you can find files. More. See, continue. You see here some index. Go inside. Back. We have to show you different search in Shodan to get different information. I can say product. Okay. My SQL. My SQL. Okay. If you'd like to put it in quotation or without quotation, check. Yeah, like this you can find the SQL database server or management server of SQL. Yeah, this is good information. Also, you can search for a product by name. I can say maybe void product like Polycom. Let's see. I can find this one. Things. Enter. Yeah. You see we have Polycom. You can go inside and check. It is kind of VoIP, maybe video conferencing and so far. So we have also other maybe organization. Can search by organization. You see here too much open ports, and you can access by port 11 from here or 13 up to. So like this, okay, you can search. Also you can put org. Maybe I can put Cisco. After that you can make combination of search in Shodan. I don't have full access to show me different filters. I should to show you some filters are not allowed to me to do. So this is org Cisco. I have WebEx here. This WebEx that means for Cisco web meeting and video conferencing. What this? Let's see inside United States. WebEx.com. Okay. Organization Cisco. ISP Cisco, and here let's see this connection to go to where? Go to inside continue. Yeah, base is working, not working, and so far. You can search one by one, but don't try to hack or because I'm just showing you how the hackers using this technique to gather information about devices. Also, you can search for SCADA. You know SCADA meaning? SCADA. Enter. You have find many SCADA. It's industry products control system. Maybe I need to, let's go to this one. In Canada, for example, I have open board 443. Let's go inside their website and check. Or I'm not sure if safe. You need to verify. Yeah, give me some user and access. This is a hardware for SCADA, which is access control systems. Also, what else we can search? Let's see. So we can go make a combination like service. Last time I used ports will be numbers, but for SSH I make it last time without port. It works. But also you can use service SSH, country, USA, and vulnerability name. You can put any vulnerability name because I don't have filter in my account. Not allowed for me for filter. That's why I cannot access. You see, is only available for academic user. I cannot access. But I'm showing you the way how we can do combination between services, country, and vulnerability. Also, you can do different things like you just make organization again and make Google and put the port number. You need to search related to Google, for example. And like this, you can find many products online. Yeah, I don't have filter still now. Okay, it works now. I have filter for this one. Spotlight, site available. Let's see what Motic is. Motic website. Yeah, using 443. So just make maybe Cisco port, okay, something like this. Maybe make it 23, port 23 for Cisco. That means device SSH access. You can access Cisco Romania. See this one, user access verification. I need to access to that one. Let's see if allowed for me. Maybe you take the port. They not give me. You see, I cannot. Maybe return back this website. Take it. And the port 23 and 161. Open new one. 23. Enter. I cannot access 161. 161. Enter. They not open. Okay. They close. Cisco systems. Also come back again. You can make a service FTP. Let's see what happened. FTP service on Cisco. Then they close this port. Remove Cisco. Make it as a service FTP and see. Isn't found. Port. Check it works by port number. No. FTP should be port 21. Put it again. Come on. Yeah. Port 21. Make org. Cisco. Let's see if it works like this. Enter. Remove.com. They don't have. Okay. I think they have. Go inside. And this 21 port. You read the information of 80 and 443 access. You can search through operating system or product, Apache, server, web server, yeah, and you go inside. Also you can search operating system OS. I can say Windows 10. Let's see, we have make Windows Server 16 or maybe 16. Let's see. Yes. Come on. Yes, we found by this. No need to make quotation. Yeah, we can access that one. For example, they have open board. You read the information. Okay. IS for web server. Yeah, accessible. Let's see this one. Internet information. Yeah, they have their own IIS web server is published. What else we can do? Also, we can search for device as exit node for Tor. I just make a tag. Tor, we don't have. Yeah, the filter is only for enterprise users, not a lot for me. So by this, some search keys like tag for Tor, you find the Tor, which is like node, Tor node. What else we can do? Also, we can search for device using TLS. I show you what I can do. We can type SSL version, TLS version 1 or 2 or 3, whatever. We find the device using old version of TLS. Okay, again, I'm waiting. Okay, we found. So in China we have a lot of 13 million devices. Japan, and so far you can find the top ports are open on this. At any rate, let's go to this one and check. We have open port 80443. Yeah, like this we can do our search using Shodan. Shodan give you a lot of information about devices online connected as well. I prefer if you go what is my address to show you your public address and check it on Shodan to check if your address of the router or the public company address, if there has any vulnerabilities or open ports like this. Let me check, but I will show you. At any rate, I put my public IP address. I did not find anything. Show me no result. That means I don't have open, because last time I remember I closed all the ports inside my router and not opened outside, not published any ports. Even I cannot access outside. So for more security, I check it, but I put here XX until I not show the correct my public IP address. Like this, you put and check if you have published anything outside. Maybe it will be dangerous for you. What else? Also, we have this one. I will Google ISP and response time to find any devices associated with Google and have response time less than 100 milliseconds, and check if we have anything related to this search. No, we don't have. Okay, maybe 255. I can make Cloudflare. Yeah, not found anything. This is just an optional. I tried last time, now I tried again. I make the 554, which is RSTP, which is real-time streaming protocol. Port number with the network camera I found one you can access, and I don't know if you can access from here. Okay, something like this. Also you can change, put it as only network camera, also as many, some of them they are using different ports, publishing with different ports. You can see free. They have many open ports. You can check like this. Also, I use FTP port with 230 login successful. Show you the successful login as FTP. That means FTP is working fine. And you can search. They're different around the world. Yeah, United States. Go for example. And check what you need of the things. Successful login. Okay. Yeah, very nice. Even you put the country, for example, the city New York, and put the port number to access. Any device has port number 22, where we access many of these things, SSH devices in New York. And USA, maybe you can put a different one, Paris, country, France, and check if we have something like this in France. Okay, we have. Like this, you can refine your search in Shodan. The last thing I need to show you about maybe port 56, which is SIP port. It's a new protocol for VoIP. Yeah, a SIP protocol using human look like email or human names instead of using IPs and digits as configuration, I mean identification. Open this one in Germany. and check this is VoIP device, caller, could be video conferencing. Okay, I cannot access from here. Let's return back and check other devices. Go to this one, 50, we cannot. Maybe we can take this one and put 50, 60 and check again. If publish, it can show me here like small arrow. I can press to move to that other pages where we can access the device. So thank you for today listening for Shodan. I hope you get useful information, and don't forget please for subscription, sharing to others, and press likes. Thank you. See you for next session. Goodbye.